Welcome to this comprehensive guide on projects in TEMS Discovery. Today, we'll explore what projects are, their significance, and how to efficiently employ them for network analysis. Let us open the demo project and explore what's inside. To do that, go to the main menu, click on Help, and select Create/Update Demo Projects. It may take a few minutes to open. You can see the demo projects for different radio technologies in the project list pane. The project we've just opened is stored for each user in the TEMS user folder along with all the information inside this folder. Here, you can see all the demo projects we have opened. Now, let's get hands-on with projects in TEMS Discovery. To create a new project, right-click on the active project tree and click a new project. In the Project Properties window, give it a reasonable name, save, and close. The project is now created. Next, we can import the log files and necessary GIS files into the project we've just created. Go to the project list pane, right-click on the project, and select Edit Properties at any given time in your analysis. You can also map geodata, cell configuration, and any other user-defined region. If you wish to share the project with your colleagues, you can use the APAC project for sharing option. Simply right-click on the project you wish to share in the project tree, save the zip file, and open it later when you need to work with this particular project again. After creating the project, you can open it by double-clicking on the project you wish to work on. Then, you can play with presenting different attributes using the various presentation options available. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to efficiently navigate and utilize projects in TEMS Discovery for your network analysis. Thanks for watching.